want to show you is how to use the pen tool. And this is super basic pen tool you will be learning a bit more about, and it takes some mastery. So the pen tool is seems easy. It's pretty point and shoot. Like, you click on one point, you're just making points, and then you're either making lines or you're making shapes. So that's kind of the big difference here. Shapes are closed paths. So that's a closed path. This is an open path. An open path means this is just a line, and it has a lot of function. Like, you can do a lot with it. When you fill it with a color, even though it might look filled, it's not quite filled because you have this like open piece right here. So it's like an open vessel, and which could get in our way a little bit. So for instance, if I have, this is set to a fill, you can see that it kind of looks, you can see where the first point and the last point are trying to like figure out what each other are doing. This is actually what we made. So just like a little zigzag, but then filled, it kind of looks a little funny, which again could be useful, but it could get in our way. So visually it looks like two triangles, but really it's just a zigzag. Whereas this shape is completely full. If you zoom in, you can see that there's a blue line all the way around it. This one, there's just a blue line on the three sides and not the fourth side. Okay. What I want to show you is with the pen tool, you're making anchor points. So I say anchor points. You can say Bezier. That's what the technical term is. Some people call it nodes. But basically, it's a point on the screen, and you click there, and now it's kind of stuck. It's a line, and it's ready to where do I want to go next? So you could just click, 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 and you're just clicking your heart out. You're making straight lines, and each point is an anchor point. And then to close the path, to make it an actual shape, you have to end where you started. So you can see that there's nothing to the bottom right of the pen until I hover over, and then you can see a little O. That means you're closing the path. So get into the habit of closing the path whenever you're using a pen tool, if you're trying to make a shape. But it's not always about just making a shape. We can use lines. So first, before I do that, it's not just about straight lines either. You can make curved lines. So if I click, I just single clicked on the page. I'm ready to make my second node, my second anchor point. If I click, drag, and hold, you can see that line then becomes a curve. But then it's like coming from the anchor point, if I stretch it out, these are called handles. So those handles, tell the line, where do you want it to curve? How drastic do you want the curve? And so we can click, drag, hold, and then you can see coming from the other edge, for other side of that anchor point, that we also have a curved line. So you can click, drag, click, drag, click, drag, and it's going to have those handles come out and basically help you with that next curve. But in some cases, you don't want to have a curved line. You want to have a straight line coming off of a curved line. So for instance, coming down here, stopping at this anchor point, and then going back the other way. So to do that, there's a couple ways to do it. The one I use most often is I'll just click on that anchor point. So by clicking on the anchor point, it deletes the handle coming off of the other side, allowing us to move that line back the other direction. So again, clicking that anchor point, and then we can make a curved line coming off of it. One more time, click the anchor point. We have a straight line coming off of it. And then let's see here. So sometimes, and there's ways we can use this. If I want to just take that handle and move it, I can hold my Alt button down and then drag it, and then it'll move. And so if you wanted a little bit more control, you could do that, where you're actually moving that handle exactly where you want it to go. So let me just move that shape out of the way. So again, click, just a single straight line, click, drag, hold, or click, hold, drag with your mouse gives you a curved line. Either clicking on the anchor point will delete that handle coming off of the other side of that. Holding the Alt button, so then you can move that handle wherever you want. And if you want to not have a path, a completed path, a shape, you just wanted that line. Let me just move that. See, I'm still connected. It's wanting me to do something. If you just hit the enter button, that goes away. So you are making wings. And so if you click one anchor point, click a second anchor point and drag, then you could either click the anchor point to delete that handle, go to your third anchor point, click and drag, and then hit enter to release. Or you could go click and drag to make your first wing, hold the Alt button down, move your handle into the position you want the other one to go, click and drag. There you are. Basic use of the pen tool.